What's going on YouTube? Steven, TheSalonGuy here, and in today's video we have Daniel once again, but in this celebrity-inspired haircut tutorial we're doing Nick Robinson from the movie Love, Simon, and Nick's hair is actually parted on the other side, but Daniel literally has perfect hair for this. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to kind of breeze through the haircut. I'm just going to kind of shape up the sides a little bit because the side where it's parted over on this side, the shorter area, it's a little bit shorter than this and kind of a little more messy. And then the top is a bit more layered. So we're just gonna kind of reshape it a little bit. We're gonna skim through the whole thing and then we'll come back and see what it looks like when we're ready to style it. All right guys, so I'm gonna break down the haircut, and basically again this was more of a cleanup in through this area. Now up here I did hold the hair straight out and cut about ½ an inch off just because it looks like he has a little bit more of a textured look right in through this side. Again, I know Nick's hair is parted on the other side, but this is Daniel's natural part, so the same thing just flipped on the other side. This would be on this side if it was actually Nick's hair. So this is a little bit kind of textured coming forward in through here, as you can see. So I did shape up the length in through here a bit more. And then what I did is I kind of connected that all the way throughout the sides and the back to give it a nice tapered look. And then same thing on the other side, right in through this area, gave it a nice taper. The top here is where I think I emphasized the cutting mostly, where I cut about maybe ½ an inch to ¾ of an inch right throughout the top here to give it more of a layered type look. And then it seems like Nick's hair in the movie is kind of slicked over and brushed over a lot, and sometimes we'll have some pieces kind of coming down like that in the movie, but a lot of it is kind of going over this way with a piece or so hanging down. Then I went in with shadow after I blow dried it to give it kind of this nice textured medium shine look, which is a great product for this. And here we have the finished result. All right, YouTube, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if this is, pretty much the exact same thing. I think Daniel looks like 15 different actors, in my opinion. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified of when I post my videos 3 times a week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with TheSalonGuy.